Doing the cough drop challenge with the Halls cough drop. So let's go. We have to shape this. See what I got. So we need to get one number.
And no!
I forgot it. We have 2.
And here? That's 4.
Well, we got
4.
4.
Make it smaller.
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to enter my giveaway for 10 to 50 minutes. I'm gonna add 5 more. Just like this video, subscribe and comment. I subscribe and then you'll be entered for the giveaway. Now, we have 1. We have 2.
Hey, those are mine. Oh yeah, I opened them for you. Remember I opened them?
Open them. I just need one more. Just open one more.
No, that's yours. You need to open them. Okay, now you have 4.
No, I have 3.
1, 2, 3.
No, I have 30.
I opened 4. No, look.
So we have our 4 cough drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 cough drops. You guys can see. Let's go. Oh, these 4. Oh. Look.
I know, they bring. My turn.
Look.
I need water. Bring water, Ben.
No, let's go. We're gonna do this without water.
I'm not shaking it.
Well, shake it. Can I see? Shake it. Activity. It's on my giveaway. Just get 1.
7.
She got 7 on.
No. I have to shake that again because I could see through it.
I don't know what the number is. Do it again. Go ahead.
Put it slowly. I can't put it all up. Oh, shake it first. No, open again. Are you watching?
Yeah, go shake it.
Yeah.
What did you get?
I got 11, 9.
She got 9. So she has to be 9. Go open.
It's 11.
How much?
And
What's 9? Just 9. Which color do you want?
yeah.
Okay, start opening.
I already have 1. I already have 2.
Okay, help me open them.
And blue one. Which one is this one? Oh, this one. Don't try. It burns. I need water.